At PortaFab, we know that you face many challenges with utilizing your space in the most effective manner. You need to improve efficiency, expand capacity without adding space, achieve greater environmental control, protect sensitive equipment, ensure workforce satisfaction and comfort, and more. Enter PortaFab, construction simplified. With our quick ship offices, we can have managers operating more efficiently in no time. 30 standard sizes are available in 2, 3, and 4-wall configurations and can be outfitted with a variety of window, door, and climate control options. Larger offices and meeting rooms can also be moved right to the plant or warehouse floor to get your team closer to the action while enjoying the quiet, climate-controlled environment ideal for improved productivity. Need more space? Our load-bearing systems can be used to create 2-story offices that provide managers with a bird's-eye view of the operation while keeping engineers and other operations personnel close to the plant floor. When more storage space is required, PortaFab's modular building systems utilize patented structural studs with load-bearing capabilities, or can be integrated with structural mezzanines to create a second-story storage area, providing a very cost-effective and flexible option for increasing the utilization of one space. When additional floor space is needed, PortaFab offices can be mounted on structural mezzanines to free up storage space and provide managers with a better view of operations. Want to protect sensitive equipment? Today's manufacturing operations are requiring more sophisticated equipment than ever before. Coordinate measuring machines, digital printing presses, laser and laboratory testing equipment all require control over temperature, humidity, and particulate to function properly. PortaFab's modular building systems are ideal for these applications and can integrate high-speed roll-up doors, conveyors, and other equipment to enhance productivity. Require more environmental control? Our steel span all-in-one wall panels and PortaMax extra-tall wall systems can be used to create finishing enclosures or demising walls that segment specific areas of your operations for environmental control. Walls can be integrated with conveyor pass-throughs and various door options to accommodate the movement of products and personnel. For spaces requiring greater environmental control, our Series 300 and PortaMax A aluminum frame wall systems allow you to achieve basic environmental control all the way up to ISO 4 clean rooms. These modular systems can be used to create standalone clean rooms or complete clean room facilities within your existing space. PortaFab modular systems can also be used to enhance worker safety and productivity by placing locker rooms, break rooms, and bathrooms on the plant floor. PortaFab buildings have even been used as cool-down or warm-up rooms in environments with excessive temperatures. Plus, with our line of pre-assembled security buildings and booths, you can better control access to your facility. PortaFab, construction simplified.